Hey, real talk. Andrew here. Have you noticed something feels off lately? Groceries through the roof, rent insane, and your paycheck. Yeah, still stuck in 2018. Meanwhile, politicians keep giving themselves raises while you're working harder just to stay in the same place. And now, AI is replacing jobs faster than you can say, update your resume. So let's cut to it. If you're relying on just one income stream, you're already at risk. This isn't fear mongering, it's reality. So let's talk about why you need a side hustle right now before AI and inflation leave you in the dust. The system isn't built to save you. Let's stop pretending the old path still works. You know the one: work hard, stay loyal, retire at 65 with a gold watch. Yeah, that dream's long gone. Today, billionaires are doubling their wealth in crises, while regular folks are choosing between fuel and food. And it's not just about inequality anymore. It's automation. Truck drivers replaced by autonomous rigs, coders, designers, even musicians. AI's got them covered. Customer service, that's been bots and scripts for years now. You could be amazing at your job, loyal, hardworking, and still get replaced by code or someone overseas working for peanuts, still waiting for the system to step in and help. No one's coming. Sure, there's talk of universal basic income, but let's call it what it is: just enough to exist, not to live. You want freedom? You've got to build it yourself. It's about more than money. Now, don't get me wrong, extra cash is great. But this is about more than money. This is about survival, control, freedom. It's about being able to say, I've got this. I own my time. I don't need permission. It's about carving your own path instead of waiting for the world to fix itself. Because newsflash, normal isn't coming back. You have two choices: adapt and build your own thing, or keep hoping someone else saves you. The internet still levels the playing field. Here's the good news: we've never had more opportunity to build something real on our terms. The internet, still the Wild West, no gatekeepers, no permission slips, no need for suits, resumes, or approval from anyone, whether it's affiliate marketing, freelancing, selling digital products, content creation. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to start. There are people turning their laptops into money machines from kitchen tables and cafes. Why not you? Start small. Stay free. And please, don't wait for perfect. You don't need a full business plan. You don't need fancy tools. You just need to start. Start with what you have from where you are right now. Doesn't have to be full-time. Doesn't have to be flashy. It just needs to be consistent. Because let me be real with you, the biggest mistake you can make in 2025? Doing nothing. The world is moving fast, and standing still, that's the same as falling behind. Here's the bottom line: AI is not slowing down. Prices aren't coming down. And the system isn't offering lifeboats. So build your own. Build your income, your freedom, your future. The 9-to-5 world is fading. The cracks are showing. But you've still got time to create something real. You don't need to be techie. You don't need to be rich. You don't need anyone's permission. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the courage to begin.